Good evening to everyone. I would like to express my gratitude for your presence here this evening. It is truly an honor to stand before a gathering filled with individuals who share a deep appreciation for our Hellenic culture and the Greek Orthodox Christian faith.
As we shall see, we have exhibited at the National Hellenic Museum, Legacy, Renewal, and Unity, celebrating 100 years of the Greek Orthodox Archdiocese of America.
It is with our deep appreciation and thanks for the opportunity to allow the Archons of the Ecumenical Patriarchate the extraordinary opportunity to create the first ever Archon exhibit. It's a tribute to unity, a renewal of hope, and the creation of a lasting legacy for Hellenism and Orthodoxy. We are going to come and go, but it's our job to make sure that the National Hellenic Museum is here forever.